Hello, I'm Frank Hartman with the Hartman Law Firm, and I'm a practicing personal injury attorney in Charleston, South Carolina. And today we're answering the question of, what do you do if you recently got a DUI and you need transportation back and forth to work? The answer is that you can purchase a moped. The significant thing about a moped is that it does not require that the user actually have a driver's license in order to be able to use it to go back and forth. That's just kind of a peculiarity of South Carolina law, and it's a loophole that you can work through in the event that you get a DUI or a second DUI and your license is either suspended indefinitely or pending your temporary hearing. If you need to get back and forth to work, as most people do, you got a paycheck in order to be able to pay for everything. The simplest solution is to purchase a moped. You'll need the moped while you're waiting for your temporary hearing to come up immediately following your DUI. And in the interim, if you have the money and it's available, you can pursue a provisional license that's route restricted that allows you to go back and forth to work. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't have the money to be able to do that, so they go out and they'll, get a cheap moped, and that will allow you to be able to go back and forth to work and to continue earning the amount of money that you need to feed your family and to potentially pay your legal fees as well as any administrative costs associated with your recent DUI. A moped is the perfect solution to that. Obviously, there's a downside, and we'll talk about that later, but it's certainly an option that people need to consider. I would say, as a public service announcement, the top speed of these things is anywhere between 35 and 40 miles an hour. You need to be very mindful of the traffic that's immediately around you, and be smart. Stay in the right lane, the slow lane, and maybe even closer to the bike lane, and just be mindful of the cars that are around you. This is Frank Hartman with Hartman Law Firm, and today we answered the question of how to get back and forth to work if you've recently been convicted or picked up on a DUI. If you're watching this video, clearly you have questions. I would strongly encourage you to pick up the telephone and call me at 843-300-7600, or feel free to look me up at thehartmanlawfirm.com. And thanks very much for watching.